Alright. What's up? I'm still alive. I promise. I'm in my office. I have an office now. It's got those little doors in it. Got me a little love seat in here. My computer desk. I don't know. Man, I've been messing with my computer all day. I can't get the damn thing to work with games. So I have to run to the truck tomorrow or the next day to get my gaming laptop. To update it, of course, not to play games. But yeah, we're still unpacking. It's gonna be a while. I'm not going back to work till like 27th, so that's like it's a while from now. Yeah, I've been working pretty hard today, even though we didn't. We did some light unpacking, and hi baby. And other than that, I'm gonna show you my handiwork. I put together most of the office. I set up all the computer stuff. Of course, there's alcoholic beverages. I'm on home time. I'm drinking alcoholic beverages. Computer, all that shit. That's where the majority of the magic happens with Mama's home. And she's in the office, and then of course across the way is the baby room, which we'll take it. We'll go over there real quick. We're gonna have the GoPro tomorrow. And yeah, we just put a bunch of stuff up on the wall. I just put up the Curious George. Oh shit, my face is all fucking fat in the way. Little Curious George.
You took a video of it. Look at the little bees.
Yeah, there's little bees. Got the little bees on there.
And your handiwork with the TV.
And then of course I did the television, little block thing at the bottom there, so that it's not, they can't mess with it and stuff. It's on the ground. Of course, it's all
safety.
All baby proof. I got the little handy dandy baby gate here. They can't get in or out. They're locked. They're like in a baby jail. I put together this little pad. That was a pain in the ass. These are all individual squares that I had to put together, and we're about to order more.
Yeah. Yay, Daddy.
Yeah, right.
You had to put up together 36 more.
See, this opens up here and here, and then inside is the plug. And then it comes up, and I put this here all the way up. Close that back. Yeah. There we go. And then comes up. It's a little 55-inch. I got them a little fire stick. We ordered that, and it finally came in. And then on top is the plug, which I'm gonna replace the mount and shit. And we're gonna be able to conceal it behind the TV so it's not all in the way. But it's locked down so it won't fall. Of course, I put the mounts and studs so the TV's nice and secure. The babies won't be able to fall or anything. Sorry. I don't have my GoPro, so I'm having to use my phone. But, of course, that's how you do it whenever you're trying to talk and vape at the same time. But it's pink. But it helps block some of the sunlight, so it's not. They don't have blinds right there, so we're ordering blinds. Yeah, that's the baby's room, and then we're gonna walk through the house, and it's our little kitchen area. Ceiling fans fucking everywhere. We're still unpacking, so. And then of course, that's Dakota's room. He's asleep right now. One bathroom. This is the big kid's room. We got him a little bunk bed, futon bunk bed, TV. You know, the closet goes all the way through, which is really cool. But we're gonna have to put some locks on that shit. Living room here. Of course, the boxes are still everywhere. We're gonna get more furniture too, because we got a lot of space now. Our 65-inch TV, UHD. Got that Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, which the kids are asleep now. I would go and show you our room, but Asher's asleep, so. But yeah, I'm still alive. Little mini house tour. Let y'all know that I'm still alive. And grab me a alcoholic beverage. Mama drinking some Bud Light. Just some chillax, relax. And of course, I bought her White Claw. She's not drinking them, so I'm drinking it. Oh no, TruckerDude Brent drinks White Claw. He doesn't drink real man beer. But yeah, we're good. I'm gonna be home for a while. I'll get the GoPro soon. I'm not gonna make it to Dallas to get the chest strap, so Mama's gonna have to wear a head strap while we're doing GoPro. She'll look sexy using it anyways, whatever she's using. But yeah, I've been spending a lot of time in the baby's room today. It's damn near done. I like that shit, man. And that comes off and we can move it. Wow, I just realized that the trees look like they're uneven. Oh. No, that's about even. I eyeballed it. I think I did pretty good. Yeah. Still alive. On home time. Enjoying every minute of it. Had family over today. Her mom cooked us some chicken what? What'd she make for dinner, babe? What was for dinner?
What was for dinner? Oh, King Ranch chicken.
King Ranch chicken.
And carrot cake.
And carrot. Yeah, we had carrot cake. And of course, we still got cookies. We've been eating like fat asses lately, man. We ordered pizza for everybody. I spent like $80 on pizza. And then $700 on the movers. We had like fucking 20 people here moving us in. And it still took us 4 fucking hours. But we're in now. The AC is phenomenal. The windows are fucking fantastic. Mama got she's ordering all the right shit, and I'm just putting it all together while I'm home. And then hopefully the last couple of days while she's relaxing, I can relax as well. Just take care of the babies. We're juggling the babies. We're juggling her family. We're having a birthday party this weekend. Everybody's invited on YouTube. I'm just kidding. She's not even listening. But yeah, we're having a baby's birthday party since Daddy's home. I'm gonna have my kids. It's gonna be fun, man. It's great, good time. I don't think I can bring my truck here. I would love to, but I don't think I can. There's no through trucks. Somebody used to park their truck on the street, and I think they made rules so that you can't park your fucking 18-wheeler here anymore. But whatever, it's fine. I'm not too far away from the yard. So anyways, that's it. That's a little update. Give y'all something at least. I'm going to be out of work for a little while, home, and I just talked to my Brent, the business counselor, director guy, and he's running some numbers around for me and stuff. I told him I was going to be out until the 27th, so he's mixing some numbers up. He already sent me what my check's going to be worth, and we put in $300 in my home time account, so the truck's going to get paid. Just worried about really when I hit the road again, how hard I'm going to have to run to make that next truck note. I think I should be good though. I got a home time credit, and then of course I got extra on top of that. So even if I don't hit my break even, I should still be able to make my whatever payment for the truck and all that. So that'll be another video. Also, I went over my DOT time. I was going to mention that. I called Donna. Yeah, she got on to me. It was I called myself out. I was just desperate to get home, so I ran over my HO hours of service. Yeah, it's not good. Yeah, despite me wanting to get home and stuff. And then of course I edited my logs, and now I'm falsifying documents. So I've corrected all that shit, and I realized that can't do that. So don't do that. Don't run over your clock, and do not change your logs to make sure that you are not running over your clock, because now you're falsifying logs, and that's double hit. You went over your 70 and you falsified your logs. So anyways, remember, Jason Lays, love it, hate it, fucking rate, take care, and I'll see you all another time.